Hello friends, welcome to Data Bicep. As you can see, I am on a vacation today, so I'll miss this week's video. But I came here today to say something which is absolutely important for the world of data and data analytics. It's happening finally. The world of data analytics is colliding. The two Goliaths of the world of data, Microsoft Excel and Python, are coming to one platform. Last week, Microsoft announced that now Python and Excel will be available together in Azure Fabric. So it's a very big news for the people who are in the world of data. But as I'm taking vacation, and I should encourage you to take vacation as well, I cannot make a full video. But once I am back, I'll make a detailed video on how to use Microsoft Excel and Python together using Azure Fabric. But before that, please do register in Microsoft 365 Office Insider program. I will provide the link in the comment section. Today it's free, but it's not going to be free. It's only for limited time, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Once I'm back, again we will meet, but till then, two things. Can you guess where the place is? It's called the French Riviera of India. And please let me know, what does this announcement mean for you, especially if you're in the world of data and data analytics. I'll see you next week. Till then, bye-bye. And don't stop watching Data Bicep for more information on the world of data and data analytics. Bye.